Okay, so to get started we need the microcloth, the screwdriver, and then these long screws. Not these short ones, we need the long screws. And then obviously we need the new lenses. If you do not have a microcloth, you can also use a t-shirt. It's better than just putting the lenses on the table. Okay, so let's start with getting the face mask off. Push on the bottom and then it will click out. And the top is held by magnets, so that will come off easier. Okay, so the lenses have an inside and an outside, and we must keep the inside clean. We can already take them out of the plastic. There's another layer to protect the inside. And then put the lens on a piece of cloth or the t-shirt. Just don't put it on the table. Okay, and there's of course the left lens and the right lens. There's like a flat side where your nose sits, and then the outside has the screw. But you can also think about, okay, that's where your ear is. So you can unscrew the existing lenses. The screw doesn't really separate from the lens barrel. It will separate from the crystal headset. So you can just keep turning it to make sure it's separated from the crystal headset. And then you have to twist the lens to get it out. Just twist it gently, it will pop out of the lens barrel. And you can actually see the direction you have to twist on the lens. It's like upwards. And then we put the new lens in. You can take off the foil, and you don't need to clean the inside. It's totally clean. Take off the plastic and put it on. To make sure you have the right position, gently push the lens all around the lens barrel, but especially at the position of the arrow. As you click in if it hasn't already. To check if it's fitted correctly, gently try to lift the lens, but don't twist it. If it's not moving, it's fitted correctly. And then you can put the screw on to secure it into position. And then we do the same with the left lens. Okay, and then we put the face mask on again, and we're all good.